Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby,
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
Thank you. My name is Nina.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Haratullah.
What is your English book's name?
My English book's name is English for Class 2.
Thank you.
It's okay.
doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
Thanks. My name is Shara.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Shogun.
What is your English book's name?
My English book's name is English for Class 3.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday.
Excuse me,
Yes.
what is your name?
My name is Toiba.
What is your English book's name?
My English book's name is English for Class 3.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Munju.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Siam.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Munju.
What is your English book's name?
My English book's name is English for Class 2.
Thank you.
It's okay.
There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby, it doesn't make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's just